Hello everyone, today we will talk about what you need to know to become a front-end developer. Table of contents, skills you need to become a front-end developer. 1. Key front-end developers skills. 2. HTML/CSS. 3. JavaScript. 4. jQuery. 5. Front-end frameworks. 1. Key front-end developers skills. Front-end web developers use three primary coding languages to code the website and web app designs created by web designers: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. The code front-end developers write runs inside the user's web browser, known as client-side, as opposed to a back-end developer, whose code runs server-side using open-source runtime environments like Node.js or with programming languages like Python. Full-stack developers are comfortable programming with both front-end and back-end languages. 2. HTML and CSS. HTML, hypertext markup language, and CSS, cascading style sheets, are the most basic building blocks of web coding. Like Python, full-stack developers are comfortable programming with both front-end and back-end languages. 2. HTML and CSS. HTML, hypertext markup language, and CSS, cascading style sheets, are the most basic building blocks of web coding. Path: you'll have to master coding with HTML and CSS. The good news is that getting a solid working knowledge of either of these can be done in just a few weeks. 3. JavaScript. JavaScript lets you add a ton more functionality to your websites, and you can create a lot of basic web applications using nothing more than HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, JS for short. At the most basic level, JS is used to create and control things like maps that update in real time, interactive films. 4. jQuery is a JavaScript library, a collection of plugins and extensions that makes developing with JavaScript faster and easier. Rather than having to code everything from scratch, jQuery lets a front-end web developer add ready-made elements to project. 5. Front-end frameworks. CSS and front-end frameworks. The most popular front-end framework is Bootstrap. Do for CSS what JS frameworks do for JavaScript. They give you a jumping-off point for faster coding.